As we know, the full version of safety assessment of cosmetics is a top and a common concern within the industry for the Chinese cosmetic regulations. According to the latest official notice issued on the 22nd of April 2024, the simplified version of safety assessment report is available as well before the 1st of May 2025. On the 30th of April 2024, NIFDC issued 7 files regarding the supporting documents of preparation of full version of safety assessment report. They are the guidance on the application for the threshold of toxicological concern approach, and the guidance on the application of the Red Cross methodology, and the guidelines for the use of cosmetic ingredient data, index of international assortative cosmetic safety assessment data, the information on the use of the ingredients in marketed products, and the guidelines for the submission of cosmetic safety assessment data, technical guiding principles for the identification and assessment of risk substances in cosmetics. So first of all, we should know what type of the raw materials can be used when carrying out the safety assessment work. And there are the 7 types in terms of the guidelines for the use of the cosmetic ingredient data, including the restricted substances and unnoted preservatives, colorant, sunscreens, and hair dyes listed in safety and technical standards for cosmetics, and assessment conclusions published by international assortative cosmetic safety evaluation agencies, safety limits or conclusions published by assortative organizations such as the WHO and the Food and Agriculture Organization FAO of the United Nations, and information on the use of the ingredients in marketed products published by regulatory authorities, and the 3-year usage history of the ingredients. Next is the safety consumption history and high molecular polymers with stable structure and properties, except the raw materials with high biological activity. Except the first 3 types, the 4th type is the new data published by the competent authority. So most people don't know what is the information on the use of the ingredients in marketed products. It is an objective connection of the usage of raw materials that have been used in special cosmetics, raising the validity period of NMPA approval license, which are not included in safety and technical standards for cosmetics, and for which there is no assessment report from authoritative institutions. The listed raw materials have not been made systematic evaluation of the safety. This information will be updated dynamically, and given it contains the usage amount of the cosmetic ingredients used in cosmetics in both ICSA 2021 and information on the use of the ingredients in marketed products, stored as the ingredient information. So we should know, most people don't know what's the difference between these 2 data lists. And the usage amount in ICSA 2021 is only a reference data for the simplified version of safety assessment report. Meanwhile, the data in the ingredient information is used as the reference for the full version of safety assessment. If the amount of the ingredient exceeds the usage amount specified in the ingredient information, the safety assessment should be conducted according to the technical guidelines for the cosmetic safety assessment 2021 version 20th edition, and or adopting other types of ingredient data according to the guidelines for the use of cosmetic ingredient data. The last question is whether the information on the use of ingredients in marketed products can be used for the safety assessment of all cosmetic ingredients. No, according to the guidelines for the use of cosmetic ingredients data, it is not applicable to whitening, anti-freckle, and anti-hair loss ingredients. So this is today's topic. I mainly focus on the information on the use of the ingredients in market products. And next time we will give the further clarification for other new requirements.